Boom shakalaka.
Welcome to Crafting Legacy Episode 5.
The 9th round of the season begins in 5 lights time, and the Canadian Grand Prix is underway.
Come with me to pack for our product FAQ video tomorrow. So first we need, what do we need? We need a cigar case. We need weekender bag, a wine tote buckets.
What did you get?
Ron says moral of the story is
He's great.
much better. Showtime. What's up, everyone? Happy Tuesday. Welcome to another episode of Creating Connections. We're going to be talking about the loneliness epidemic and how the meetings and incentive industry can help combat it, foster deep connections. Our guest today is Natalie Horan.
The team is going to head out to K1 Speed Go-Karting racing track to have some team bonding events. Can you give me like a prediction of what's going to happen later?
You know what? I think Randy is a sneaky little go-karter, and I think he's gonna win. Andrew's coming dead last.
I think I'll do like the worst because I don't drive at all. I mean, the last time I drive is on the iPad when I was in middle school.
Come on, really?
So right now we are at the K1 Speed racing track. What's your prediction for later?
I'm obviously gonna win. You fucking losers. Yeah, right, pal.
Andrew,
Yeah.
what's your prediction for later?
Well, I've been waiting 5 minutes for all you guys here, so I'm probably gonna win. Doing a little FAQ video for our weekender bag, our longest standing product in our collection.
Action!
So today I'm packing for a 2-night stay.
Too much space in your weekender luggage. Most stop kits are huge, and people bring around their whole life in those stop kits, and they don't need to. There's no purpose for that, so this forces people to be a bit more minimalistic.
You guys ready?
As they make their way to turn number 1, Fernando Alonso gets past Daniel Ricciardo to the apex of turn 2. A huge amount of standing water.
Welcome to Bon Vivant, episode 1. Okay, one more take, Ron.
Yeah, I think that's Daniel.
Further back we go, and you can see Sergio Perez close there with Gasly.
Slightly sliding, Gasly coming across him a little bit, all trying to find a bit of space on a narrow circuit.
I was catching you.
I think that accident got to us.
Awesome, looking forward to it. Thanks again, and we will see you soon.